Some strategies to assist students in the classroom that exhibit oppositional defiant disorder can be avoiding the power struggles. So that's like moments where the student is trying to one up you or something. You can just take a break, encourage the student to take a break from the situation and look at it from a different perspective. Providing choices for when the student is arguing is a good idea. Like, say, you can either do this or you can do this. You decide. And you can repeat that if necessary and remind them of the classroom guidelines. And then at that point, just walk away and let them sit with that. One of the biggest things to do is practice patience with the student, because there are going to be consistent struggles, and you just need to be as patient as you possibly can. And then build a personal connection with the student. Find out what they're interested in and see if you have any common connections that you can relate upon.